The 2015 Kawasaki Vulcan 1700 Voyager ABS. Overview. Cruiser style with complete touring credentials. While any motorcycle can be ridden long distances if the rider is determined, only a special few truly deserve to be called a touring cruiser. The Vulcan 1700 Voyager ABS motorcycle is one of those rare machines. It offers a stylish alternative to run-of-the-mill V-twin tourers, combining Kawasaki reliability with the performance, V-twin feel, comfort and amenities that a long-distance touring rider and passenger demand. Its torquey 1700cc V-twin powerplant delivers muscular performance. And when mixed with Kawasaki's legendary engineering and reputation for dependability, you've got a motorcycle that will carry you reliably from coast to coast, and back again. 2015 Kawasaki Vulcan 1700 Voyager ABS key features. Powerful 1700cc V-twin delivers impressive levels of torque and immediate passing power. 6-speed transmission for effortless acceleration and relaxed cruising at highway speeds. Kawasaki's sophisticated KACT2 ABS system builds rider confidence by helping execute balanced braking. Electronic cruise control maintains speed, reducing rider fatigue on long trips, and interfaces with the electronic throttle valve system for smooth operation. Stylish, frame-mounted fairing provides excellent wind protection for the rider and passenger, better than handlebar-mounted units. Lower color-matched fairings increase wind protection and rider comfort for legs. Large, color-matched trunk holds 2 full-face helmets. Weatherproof, lockable, color-matched, top-opening hard saddlebags offer ample, easy-to-pack storage. Feature-rich, AM, FM, WB audio system with iPod and SiriusXM radio compatibility as standard equipment. Navigation audio prompt capability plays voice prompts from Garmin Zumo 600/665 GPS devices through the motorcycle's audio system or Kawasaki Genuine Accessory helmet headsets. Kawasaki Air Management System (KAMS) routes away engine heat, maximizing rider and passenger comfort when stopped or at very low speeds in warm weather. Low 28.7-inch seat height enhances rider comfort and confidence. Compact and upright ergonomics enhance rider comfort for all-day rides. Includes a 36-month limited factory warranty, with the optional Kawasaki Protection Plus plan adding up to an additional 36 months depending on the plan purchased. 2015 Kawasaki Vulcan 1700 Voyager ABS features and benefits. Kawasaki Advanced Coactive Braking Technology (KACT2) ABS. Voyager ABS features Kawasaki's sophisticated KACT2 system, which helps riders to execute balanced braking. Designed to complement the rider's brake inputs, the system distributes the ideal amount of brake pressure to maximize braking efficiency. Low battery mode maintains ABS function while reducing signal frequency to conserve power when needed. For increased controllability in tight parking lots and when executing U-turns, KACT's coactive function does not engage when braking is initiated at speeds below 12 miles per hour. ABS function is disengaged at speeds below 4 miles per hour. Dual 300 mm front disc brakes with 4-piston calipers and a 2-piston rear disc brake for short, powerful stops. Powerful 1700cc V-twin engine. Liquid-cooled, 4 valves per cylinder, fuel-injected 1700cc 52-degree V-twin engine. Long stroke 102 by 104 mm bore and stroke dimensions help deliver high levels of torque with a distinctive V-twin feel. Valve system uses a single overhead cam arrangement instead of pushrods for quicker revving and enhanced mid to high RPM power. Semi-dry sump allows a lower crankshaft placement and a longer piston stroke without increasing engine height. Single-pin crank accentuates the engine's V-twin character by providing stronger power pulses. Large capacity airbox is located on both sides of the engine. Small diameter iridium spark plugs reach deep into the combustion chamber for high combustion efficiency, especially during low load operation. Dual mufflers, one on each side of the bike, allow maximum clearance for luggage. Engine tuning offers superior acceleration in the 50 to 70 miles per hour range. The engine pulls strongly even in top gear, facilitating overtaking at highway speeds. Digital fuel injection (DFI). Dual 42mm throttle bodies with atomizing fuel injectors produce a fine fuel mist for better combustion and fuel consumption. Electronic throttle valve (ETV) system. Fully electronic throttle actuation system enables the ECU to control the volume of intake air via throttle valve angle and fuel via fuel injector timing delivered to the engine. Optimized fuel injector timing and throttle valve position result in accurate, powerful engine response. Control of both fuel injection and airflow provides easy starting and precise cold engine idle speed control. From the rider's perspective, the ETV works like a standard cable-operated throttle. The throttle grip is still connected to cables, so the feel at the grip is the same. Twisting the throttle turns a pulley on the throttle body which triggers the accelerator position sensor (APS) to send a signal to the ECU, which then modulates the throttle valves via a DC motor. Accurate throttle position is relayed to the ECU by a throttle position sensor (TPS). APS and TPS send two sets of signals to the ECU for system redundancy in the unlikely event of a sensor failure. Cruise control. When activated, the system maintains a desired speed. Cruise control can be engaged and adjusted entirely from the right handlebar. Cruise control can be activated in third gear or above at any speed between 30 miles per hour and 85 miles per hour. Pressure on the brake lever, clutch lever or rear brake pedal automatically disengages the cruise control, as will manually rolling off the throttle. Onboard diagnostics. Diagnostic system allows self-testing of the electronic systems on the Vulcan 1700 motorcycles. Display codes on the instrumentation can be read by the owner using the accessory manual. 6-speed transmission, final drive. Both 5th and 6th gears are overdrive ratios, which contributes to stress-free riding and better fuel economy when cruising at highway speeds. 28mm carbon fiber reinforced final drive belt offers a 40% increase in tensile strength compared to current Kevlar belts. This allows the Vulcan 1700 to use a slim belt only 2mm wider than the Kevlar unit on the Vulcan 900 motorcycles. Belt drive system is quiet, efficient and offers reduced maintenance compared to a chain drive system. Light handling chassis. The relatively short wheelbase and shorter distance between the seat and steering head contribute to rider comfort and easy maneuverability. Large, steel, box-section backbone frame is very rigid and helps contribute to high stability as well as light handling at low speeds. The compact design contributes to light handling and facilitates handling at low speeds, especially when executing precise slow-speed maneuvers like parking or making U-turns. 45mm telescopic fork provides superb steering feedback. 5.5 of travel helps provide excellent ride quality. Dual adjustable rear air shocks. Features air adjustment to help compensate for passenger and luggage variations. 4-way rebound damping adjustments help tune the suspension to suit the rider's preference. Voyager-specific settings match the load carrying and long-distance touring requirements inherent in this type of motorcycle. 9-spoke cast wheels allow the use of tubeless tires and complement the Voyager's muscular styling. 130/90 front and 170/70 rear tires offer optimal traction and wear characteristics. Tire choice and suspension settings augment the chassis light handling characteristics. Classic V-twin appeal. Basic architecture has a significant impact on a V-twin engine's appearance. The line created by the top of the airbox and the cylinder heads forms a curved shape that continues to flow through the bike. Deeply chromed engine covers have curved upper surfaces. Their three-dimensional form adds volume and gives a quality appearance. The edges of the cooling fins receive a special nickel carbide treatment that makes them gleam in sunlight. All the non-chromed parts of the engine have a matte black finish that further accentuates the chromed parts. Bodywork. muscular fairing is reminiscent of classic American muscle cars in its sculpted, flowing design. Chromed headlamp cover and twin fog lights contribute to the muscle car theme. The fuel tank's hand-sculpted contours employ constantly varying radii, giving the bike a dynamic flow that is pleasing both to the eye and to the touch. The lines flowing through the rest of the bike and its elegant fuel tank contribute to the Voyager's curvaceous figure. Liberal use of chrome contrasts nicely with the bodywork's deep, lustrous paint. The engine, front and rear guards, accents on the side cases and trunk, and the trunk brackets are fully chromed. Design motif from the front fender continues on the rear fender, which features an elegant LED taillight. Front and rear guards help protect the bike's bodywork in case of a tip-over. Dual 35W fog lights have a dedicated on-off switch and can be adjusted vertically. In addition to the taillight on the rear fender, the Voyager also has a large, highly visible LED taillight mounted on the rear of the trunk that contributes to its appearance. Classic retro dashboard. Instrument layout and large round dials give the Voyager's console a classic automotive elegance, which is reinforced by the font used in the instrumentation. Even the radio has a classic look, reminiscent of a 1960s radio. Multifunction LCD display in the center of the instrument console is controlled by switches on the right handlebar. Features include a gear position indicator, fuel gauge, clock, odometer, dual trip meters, remaining range and average fuel consumption. Analog displays include speedometer, tachometer and coolant temperature gauge. Audio system with twin speakers features radio, FM, AM, WX, and compatibility with optional iPod, SiriusXM tuner or CB radio units. The audio system, an iPod, can be operated by switches on the left handlebar. GPS navigation audio prompt capability can play navigation voice prompts from Garmin Zumo 600 or 665 series GPS devices through the motorcycle's audio system or Kawasaki genuine accessory helmet headsets. Ignition switch allows key removal in the on position, preventing keys from damaging the chrome finish around the ignition area during operation. Turning the ignition switch collar to the ACC position allows accessories to be used while the engine is off, and turning it to the off position turns the engine off and secures the ignition when parking. Wind protection. Large windshield and fairing help protect the rider and passenger from the wind and elements. With the front fairing mounted to the frame, any wind buffeting is transferred to the bike rather than the handlebar, helping to enhance highway stability and reduce rider fatigue. Leg shields have adjustable vents to tailor the amount of airflow to the rider's legs. Ample storage. 13.2-gallon 50L lockable trunk is large enough to fit 2 full-face helmets. Top opening side cases are sealed and lockable, with a volume of 10 gallons 38L each. Up front, lockable glove boxes provide a handy place for storing small items and accessories. An iPod jack, optional connector required, is located in the left side glove box. Comfort. Sculpted seat designed for both comfortable long-distance ergonomics and an easy reach to the ground. Upright riding position and floorboards contribute to all-day touring comfort. Roomy passenger seat is complemented by padding on the trunk that provides back and arm support. Rear floorboards contribute to passenger comfort. Dual adjustable rear air shocks use settings optimized for load carrying and long-distance comfort. Long range. 5.3-gallon fuel tank offers a substantial range, helping to minimize fuel stops when out on the open road. Accessories. A large number of Kawasaki genuine accessories are available, including iPod connector, SiriusXM radio module, Kawasaki KQR quick-release passenger backrest, standard gel seat, dual gel saddle, saddlebag liners, auxiliary lights, DC power sockets, GPS mount, billet handlebar clamps, engine cover trim, saddlebag top rails, custom cover and more. Please see your Kawasaki dealer for more information. Specifications. Quotes. Highlights of the Vulcan 1700 Voyager ABS package include a 52-degree V-twin engine, KACT-2 ABS braking system, cruise control, frame-mounted fairing, 6-speed overdrive transmission and KAMS air management system, which routes radiator heat to the ground below the engine. It retains touring amenities such as an intercom headset-compatible audio system and integrated luggage. Dual adjustable rear air shocks allow for quick adjustments when compensating for luggage and passenger, and the 28.7-inch seat height assures that riders of all sizes will find a sure foot when stopped. It also comes with a large windshield and fairing to keep the wind off of you, a sculpted seat, upright riding position and floorboards for the rider and the passenger that all attribute to comfort on a long ride. The 2015-1700 Voyager ABS will be available in a metallic carbon gray, metallic spark black colorway. Motorcycle USA. Designed for those riders who set their sights beyond the horizon, the Vulcan 1700 Voyager offers everything needed for comfortable long-distance touring with or without a passenger. Offering a metric alternative to V-twin tourers, the Vulcan 1700 Voyager combines Kawasaki reliability with the performance, comfort and amenities that long-distance touring riders demand. Total motorcycle.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.